Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can add the grid lines, rows, columns and even the rulers in Canva page. So let's start with the video guys. So at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me take one presentation page. Okay, so this is my presentation page. So if you want to add the rulers, guidelines and columns and rows, we need to select that page, go to the file, here go to setting and go to the show rulers and guides. Okay, so it will be show the rulers and guides. Now go to the file again here and go to the setting again. You can go to the show margin. Don't go to the margin, so it is for margin only. Go to the file again and add the guides. So you can, this is the guides. You can see the customization here window, which is 12 guides, 3 guides, 3 by 3 guides, and here the customization. So we need 6 column. This is a 6 column. If you want rows, so if you need 3 columns, so you need to just make 3 it, gap maybe in 10 pixel and margin may be 50 pixel. Okay, so make it 3 and 10. Okay, so these are 3 columns, 1 2 3. This is the rows. Okay, this is a 3 column, this is the rows, and this is a gap between the rows. Okay, rows and column, this is a gap of 10 pixel, and this is the margin, the side margin. Okay, so this is the blank space. Okay, so this is the margin of this page. Under this margin you can add your content. Okay, let me this is a margin. Now go to the add margin. Margin has been added. It is guide added and locked. The guide has been added and it's locked now, so it won't be move while you editing or add content in this page. Okay, so here go to the file again, settings. You can unlock the margin from here. You can create clear guides and add guides if you want. You can disable rulers. Okay, so that is how you can add the grid lines, columns, rows in Canva page. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.